Dear students, welcome to math class. Today we will start with a new topic. Name of the topic is calendar. So let us meet Candy a calendar. Hello kids, I am Candy a calendar. I tells you about major events during the year, number of working days, the number of holidays, the days and the dates of each month. I also show you the months, weeks, days for the whole year. Would you like to meet my months and days? Come, let us count. I have 12 months in a year. They are January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. The months of January, March, May, July, August, October, and December have 31 days. The months of April, June, September, and November have 30 days. Do you know? February is a special month. It has 28 or 29 days. Every 4 years, it has 29 days. That year is called as leap year. In all, there are 365 days in a year and 366 days in a leap year. Now, can you tell me which year was a leap year? February 2019 or February 2020? Correct. February 2020 was a leap year because it had 29 days. Kids, now let us know more about leap year. There are 365 days in a year. There are 366 days in a leap year. The year which is exactly divisible by 4 is a leap year. It comes after every 4 years. 2004, 2008, 2012, 2016, 2020 was a leap year. The year in which the February month has 29 days is called as a leap year. Now, I will show you a week. Each week is made up of 7 days. The 7 days of the week are Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. There are 52 weeks in a year. Children, I hope this concept is clear by now. So let us do an activity. I have listed some important dates in jumbled manner. Will you help me to arrange these dates in the order they come in the year? Let us arrange together. It's a new year. First January. Then Republic Day. Then comes Independence Day. followed by Mahatma Gandhi's birthday, and lastly Children's Day, which is birthday of our first Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Now, let us solve problems on calendar. Do you know that calendar solves many problems? You can easily read days and dates on a calendar. Let us look at the month of February for the year 2021 and solve the problems. So the first question is, on which day does this month end? 28, and the day is Sunday. Let us check the answer. Correct, it is Sunday. Now the next question. What day is it on 13th February? Children, can you give me the answer? 13th February. Yes, correct children, Saturday. Now the next question. What is the date on the 4th Saturday? So, 4th Saturday. Correct, 27th February. Next question. Is 21st February a Sunday? Yes, it is a Sunday. Now the next question. How many Thursdays are there in this month? So let us count the Thursdays. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 4 Thursdays. Good children. Now let us look at the month of December for the year 2021. And the question is, which festival comes in the month of December? Absolutely correct, it's Christmas Day. Now the next question, how many Sundays are falling in the month of December? 1, 2, 3 and 4. And the answer is 4 Sundays, correct. Next question, how many days after the 5th of December is Christmas? So 5th of December is here and 25th is Christmas Day. Let us count the days between them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 and 19. Let us check the answer. Correct, it is 19 days. Now, let us meet Sonu. Children, assume that today is 27th January 2021. It's Sonu's birthday. Sonu was born on 27th January 2011. So children, can you tell me what is the current age of Sonu? No worries. Let us calculate together. For that, we need to count the years from 2011 to 2021. So let us count to find out the age. From 2011 to 2012, 1 year. 2012 to 2013, 2 years. 2013 to 2014, 3 years. 2014 to 2015, 4 years. 2015 to 2016, 5 years. 2016 to 2017, 6 years. 2017 to 2018, 7 years. 2018 to 2019, 8 years. 2019 to 2020, 9 years. 2020 to 2021, 10 years. So kids, now Sonu is 10 years old today. Kids, here we have come to the end. I hope you have understood this chapter. If you have any doubt, you can watch the video again. So bye-bye for now. Meet you in next class.